Let us solve another problem on mode, which is the given data. Find the mode of the data, which is given data. Marks given as class interval, number of students given as frequency. Here, for mode, we have the formula, that is mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into H. Here, to find out mode, these variables are required. L means lower limit of model class. F1 means frequency of model class. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Here F1, F2 is equals to frequency of the class succeeding the model class. H means class interval or height of the class. These are required to know about the mode. First, to find out these values, make this given table like this. Here marks writing as class interval, number of students writing as frequency. Class intervals writing, these class intervals are written here. These frequencies written in second column. Here, to know the mode, here actual lower limit is required. Actual lower limit is required. But here these are unequal. These are unequal. These are unequal. Means here these are discontinuous classes. Make these discontinuous classes as continuous classes. To make continuous classes, subtract 0.5 from lower limits, subtracted, add 0.5 to upper limits. Here 10 is there, 0.5 added, 1 is there, 0.5 subtracted, 20 is there, 0.5 added. For these upper limits, 0.5 added, for these lower limits, 0.5 subtracted. Like that we got actual classes. Here, which is the, here in frequencies, which is the highest frequency. Therefore against this we have a class. This class is known as model class. After knowing model class, here which is the frequency of model class, which is the frequency of model class preceding the model class, which is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is F0. F2 means which is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, succeeding the model class, which is the frequency of class which is before model class, which is the frequency of the after model class. Therefore like that find out F0, F1, F2, here which is the L. Now class interval becomes 10.5 minus 0.5, you will get 10. 20.5 minus 10.5, you will get 10, that is H. Those are found. Now substitute L value. L is equals to what here? 20.5 substituted, plus F1. F1 means what? 11, minus F0. F0 means 7, whole by 2. 2 into F1. 2 into F1 is equals to 11, minus F0 plus F2. These are the F0 plus F2 values substituted, into H. H is equal to 10. Substituted here as it is written, plus as it is written, 11 minus 7, 4. 2 11s are 22, minus 7 plus 9, 16, into 10. Here 4 10s are 40, 22 minus 16 is 6. Now simplify, you will get 20 by 3. Divide this 20 by 3, you will get 6.6, 6.666 etc. 6.6 bar. Now add this and this like this, you will get 27.166 etc. 27.17 is the answer.